everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire. Ninth study vlog. If you guys are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Today I woke up around 7:30 in the morning, and when I saw outside my window in the sky there were a lot of clouds. It was a cloudy morning and the sky was looking very beautiful, and it made me really happy, and it was a good start of the day. And this reminded me of the beautiful quote which I would like to share with all of you, and it is, clouds in the sky very much resembles the thought in our minds. Both changes perpetually from one second to another. So the ideas coming in our mind is just similar to the clouds. It keep on changes. New idea keeps coming up, and some of the ideas also merges with another, like just like the clouds. So yes, it was a very good start of the day. After leaving the bed and brushing my teeth, I started to prepare myself for the exercise session. And here I am getting ready, and now I am doing the regular skipping which I do, and I have trying to extend the skipping session. I am trying to go for 500 skips per day. I have realized one thing, that whenever I start my day by doing some kind of exercise or by doing the morning walk, I really find my day turns out to be really productive, because I feel much more satisfied due to like the energetic start which I have done in the starting of the day keeps me energetic throughout the day. So that's why I feel really productive, and it is like satisfaction for me. So yes, I really like this, and that's why I'm continuing doing the exercise and morning walk. It is around 8:30 in the morning, and I'm back to my study table. I have completed my exercise, I got freshened up, and currently I'm having my breakfast. And in today's breakfast I am drinking haldi milk and soaked almonds and groundnuts. And yes, I prefer to eat healthy. And today I have also kept a glass full of detox water, the mint detox water, on my table. So this is the essential thing which I have in the morning. After completing my breakfast, the first thing today I have started is revising some of the articles in the Indian polity. So I have this particular wall chart for the Indian Constitution, and articles are written over there. The preamble of the Constitution is also present in the chart. Along with it, lot of amendments which are happened, the important amendments, that is also enlisted in this particular chart. So in the morning, the first thing which I am doing, I'm trying to remember all this. So I spend some of the time standing in front of this chart and try to remember everything. I spent around half an hour trying to memorize the wall chart, and after it is currently around 10:30 in the morning, and I'm out in the supermarket and I'm taking groceries for the month. My mom gave me entire list, like whatever household objects need to be brought. So all those things I collected, and after it I also went to the stationery section and I brought some of the pens for myself, and also some of the permanent markers and some of the whiteboard markers, so I can practice on the maps and the whiteboard which I have personally made. It took me 3 hours to get everything in the basket, because there were entire list for the essential for household, and also like a few things of my own. And also due to pandemic I have to take care of the social distancing norms, so that's why it took a little bit longer. I came back home around 1 o'clock. Then I put everything in the hall room. Then I sanitized each and every packet, each and every object which I brought from the supermarket. And it took me around 30 to 40 minutes to sanitize each and everything. After it, I got freshened up and then I finished my lunch. Currently, it is around 2:30 in the afternoon, and I have started with previous year questions of UPSC. It is the Mrinal Sir's book of 26 years prelims previous year question papers collection, and I'm reading the modern history of India. This is my second study session of the day. My first study session was when I was memorizing the polity wall chart, and generally I finished my second study session before the lunch break only, but today I went outside. I did some of the shopping for my household and also for myself, so that's why I was unable to complete my second study session before the lunch break. After coming back from the supermarket, I was feeling really tired, and that's why I was just reading some of the previous year questions, and I haven't started with anything fresh. Currently it is around 5:30 and I have completed my 2-hour long study session. After it I have taken half an hour break, and in this particular break I am watching Dean Schneider's YouTube channel, and I am really motivated by this person because his concept, his idea and his mission is to bring animal into people's heart, and I am really motivated by his ideas, his work, and the things which he posts on his YouTube channel. So please guys, go and check it out, his channel. He has doing a really great work. After enjoying half an hour break, I am back to my study area. Currently it is around 6 o'clock and this is the third study session of the day, and I am revising sociology. It is my optional, and currently I am reading the tribals chapter. When I am reading this book for the second time, I am also able to relate some of the current affair related issues with the readings of the sociology. So yes, the second reading and revision is definitely helping me a lot. This study session was 1.5 hours long, and after it I took half an hour break, and when I was looking outside my window I saw this beautiful parrot. He was eating the badam and it was looking very beautiful, so that's why I thought to capture this particular moment and share with you all. If you guys are also a nature lover like me, then write it in the comment section below that what you like in the nature and what is that particular thing which makes you happy when you look it in the nature. It is around 8 o'clock and I am watching the current affair video on YouTube. It is the fourth study session of the day. Today I am also writing few of the bullet points of the video, and after completing this 30-minute current affair video, I am also going to read the current affair magazine. Today my day was not that much productive if I see my study hours, because today I only study for 6 hours. But apart from that, on an average, a normal day I study around 8 hours to 10 hours, but today was not that much productive day for my studies because I went outside to bring some things. So yes, a lot of my time, more than 4 hours, has been spent on that particular activity also. So yes, it is not going to happen that each and every day has to be productive. So what best we can do is try to strategize ourselves. So today I am not able to complete 8 hour or 10 hour of the study, so I'll try to compensate today's hour into the next days. And also it is important to take some time breaks also. So the main thing is that we don't have to get demotivated, or we don't have to dishearten that we are not able to give equal amount of time on each and every day. It is not possible. If it is possible for you, then it is great, but sometimes it happens that not the everyday is same for me. So that's why I try to keep myself happy that okay, next day I'm going to do much better than this particular day. Happy study hours to all my fellow aspirants. If you like my video then give a thumbs up, also subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any doubt then do mention it in the comment section below. Thanks everyone for watching my video.